Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by removing all external power and data connections, so the speaker is truly isolated. This prevents mains ground from masking the fault. Open the case using an insulated screwdriver and document where ground wires and shield tabs land. Take photos to avoid mistakes. Once the enclosure is off, check the DC jack and USB charge port for loose ground lugs and corroded solder joints. Make sure the battery remains connected, so you can test drive signals without reconnecting mains power. You now measure continuity between chassis, battery negative, and audio ground. A high resistance or open indicates the broken ground path causing noise or no output. Carefully desolder and remove corroded lugs or cracked traces, then tin and resolder new connections so they are mechanically solid. Once done, replace any damaged USB/DC jack with a proper footprint part and add heat shrink to prevent future shorts. Make sure to route wires away from vibration points and secure with hot glue where needed. You reassemble the speaker, reconnect the battery, and test Bluetooth playback from battery power first. This confirms the internal fix before reintroducing mains. If you still hear hum when plugging the charger in, make sure the chassis-to-earth connection is solid or use a ground loop isolator on the charger or audio input. Once clean, tighten all screws, reseal the enclosure, and test again with charger attached. If noise returns, double-check the replaced jack and any shielding. That's the one troubleshooting tip to prioritize.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.